the herd.
Horned toads. Not a toad at all. Despite their name, horned toads are spiky lizards. Their flat, round bodies and pointy horns help them blend into deserts and scare off predators like snakes and birds. Blood-squirting superpower. When threatened, they can shoot blood from their eyes. The gross but harmless squirt surprises predators and gives the lizard time to escape. Ant feast champions. Their favorite snack is ants. They can eat thousands in one day. Their sticky tongue slurps them up like a vacuum cleaner. Sunbathing experts. They're cold-blooded, so they bask in the sun to warm up. Their bumpy skin acts like solar panels, soaking up heat to stay active. Disappearing. Act sadly. Some horned toad species are endangered due to habitat loss. Protecting deserts helps these tiny dinosaur lookalikes survive. Horned toads are tiny desert warriors with wild tricks, perfect for a creepy, cool creature report.